Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 3.5 question number 5. The area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 and the breadth is increased by 3 units. That is the first condition given. The area of the rectangle is get reduced by 9. So the question is talking about area of the rectangle. So basically we must write the formula for area of the rectangle. So listen, area of the rectangle is, the formula is length into breadth. L into B is your actual formula. So we can say that area we are going to represent by A. So A is equal to LB, we can say that. So this is a usual formula. Now what is happening? Let's see the question now. Area of the rectangle get reduced by 9. So area is reduced means subtracted. Reduced by 9. So in the A value is getting reduced by 9. When it is happening means if the length is reduced by 5. This length is reduced by 5. So the L will become L minus 5. And the breadth is increased by 3. So the B is increased by 3. So B plus 3. So like this we should write now. Here in the place of A, here we are getting 3 variable, capital A, small l, small b. But we need only two variable, then only we can solve it easily. So in the place of A, you just write this LB again. So area can be written as LB minus 9, which is equal to, here just a multiplication. L into B will be LB, L into 3 is 3L, 5 into B will be 5B, 5 3s are 15. So like this we should write. So bring this LB to L and B one side, remaining terms one side we should take it. Here already we have LB minus 9. This plus LB I am bringing it to this side as minus LB. Why? Because this will get cancelled. That's why I am bringing. This minus 15, if you take it to this side, this will become plus 15. Which is equal to remaining terms 3L minus 5B. So here minus 9 plus 15 we are getting. Minus 9 plus 15 is 6. 6 is equal to 3L minus 5B. This is our first equation. So we need to go for the second equation now. Again the question is, if we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, both are increasing. If we increase the length by 3 units, that means the same formula, the length what we are going to, A is equal to LB is your basic. So L is increased by 3, so L plus 3, and breadth by 2, so B plus 2. And if it is happening, what is the area? If the area is increased by 67. Area is increased by 67 means A plus 67 will happen. If length is increased by 3, breadth is increased by 2, then area is increased by 67. Like this we should take. Now in the place of A, again we can write it LB plus 67. Here we have to multiply again. L into B will be LB, L into 2 is 2L, 3 into B will be 3B, and 3 2s are, it will be 6. So here LB plus 67 we have. This plus LB you take it to other side, it will become minus LB. This plus 6 also you bring it to that side, it is minus 6, which is equal to, here the remaining terms 2L plus 3B. So LB will get cancelled. 67 minus 6 will give you 61, which is equal to 2L plus 3B. This is our second equation. Now we have two equations. We have to solve by any one of the method to get your final solution. Let us substitute now. So here we received two equations, this and this. So let us write it together first. So here the first equation is 3L minus 5B, which is equal to 6 is one equation. And the next equation is 2L plus 3B, which is equal to 61. Any method you can take to solve the equation. I am selecting elimination method. So elimination method, we have to make any one of the coefficient is same. Here 3, here 2 is given. This is my first equation, this is my second equation. So I want to make these two terms are same number. So I want to multiply the first equation. Elimination method we are going to apply now. So here first equation I am going to multiply with 2. The second equation I am going to multiply with 3. Why we are doing it this way means both the place I can get the 6. First equation I'm multiplying by 2, this will become 6. Second equation if I'm multiplying by 3, here I can get the 6. That's why multiplication of first equation by 2, second equation by 3 we are going to do now. So here first equation is this one. So into 2, so 2 3s are 6L and 2 5s are 10B, which is equal to 2 6 are 12. Second equation by 3, so 3 2s are again 6, 3 3s are it will be 9B, and 6 into 61 will be 183. So after writing we are going to solve. So both are plus 6L plus 6L, we cannot cut the value. So take this minus, 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 change the sign, this will get cancelled. Minus 10B minus 9B, so minus 19B we are getting, which is equal to 183 minus 12 we are getting 171. So minus minus will get cancelled. So here we have to find the B value. So here we can bring this 19 to that side. So B is equal to 171 by 19. So 19 ones are 19 nines are we are getting. So B is equal to 9 is my value. Now B value should be substituted in any one of the equation. So let us substitute in the first equation. So substitute B in first equation. So this is my first equation. Here we have written 3L minus 5B, which is equal to 6. So 3L minus 5B means 5 into your value, 5 into 9, which is equal to 6. So 3L is equal to, here we have 6, this is minus 45, if you bring it to that side, plus 45. So 45 plus 6 will give you 51. So L is equal to 51 by 3, which will give you 17. So L is equal to 17. So that is our question. What is the length and breadth of the rectangle they are asking? So length and breadth we have to write it. So length is 17 and breadth is 9. So that is your final answer. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.